Hello, welcome everyone. We want to show a little bit of love for Valentine's Day this year. It's already February, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and we're offering a special factory authorized rebate on the 19 series of the QNIC machines. The 19X and the 19X Elite are going to receive a $500 rebate off the already low price. This is the lowest price you're going to see, folks. We've already got it down lower than the normally advertised price that we have. Plus, we're going to give you $500, but that's not all. We've also got the bonus kit still. We've still got a few of the bonus kits that we had at Black Friday. We stockpiled those. We've got several of them left, and we're going to be able to include that. So you're going to get 3 major discounts with this machine if you buy it between now and Valentine's Day. You're going to get the low price, $500 rebate, and the bonus kit. So with the bonus kit, you're going to get the ultimate cutting package. You're going to get the light bar, everything you need to start long arm quilting with your brand new long arm. But that's not all. You're also going to get a frame. We've got 2 different types of frames you can get with this machine. So if you're limited on space, you can go with the hoop frame. You just move the quilt around on the frame and you're going to be able to do it to a king size quilt. Or you can get the queen frame, the Q-Zone queen frame, which is a great frame that you're going to be able to load a queen frame on all the way down to, you know, the smallest frame or smallest quilt that you would like to do. It's going to be easy to use with this machine. This is a long arm machine, folks. This is going to have 4 different modes. We've got the precise, the cruise, basting, and the manual mode. That's going to be all the modes that you're going to need to be able to do any type of quilting you want to do. We can easily adjust the speed here on the handles. We got needle up, down, the start stop button here. Easy threading system with diagrams to show you how to thread it, with the easy tension system as well. They've even put the thread mast up front so you don't have to walk around the side of the machine. You can thread it from right here in the front. It takes an M-style bobbin, so that's going to be the large long arm bobbin. It's going to be the maximum amount of thread that you can put on one of the long arm machines. It's going to have that included. You're also going to get, if you buy from us, our nationwide service plan. So what that's going to do is that's going to give you all the help and all the resources you need to be able to put this together, to be able to use it. If you run into an issue, you have a question, we're here to help you. That's what our nationwide service plan is all about. We got 5 full-time technicians here ready to help you on the phone with anything you purchase from us. We've got educators, we've got great salespeople, and we even offer deliveries and installations. So give us a call, we'll give you a price on that. We do free shipping on these machines all over the lower 48 states. Another thing that I wanted to talk to you about too is we have got a ton of automation in stock. What we did is we had a typo when we typed in an extra 0 when we put in our order. Instead of sending it back, we got in touch with the company. They gave us a discount. We want to relay that discount to you. We have a lot of automation we need to move, so please give us a call. We can add that to your quilting frame package, give you a special deal. Or if you've got a quilting machine already and you're wanting to add automation, like we say, why wait to automate? We can get you a special deal. You just need to give us a call. We're going to have on the 19 series a coupon code on our website, LOVE. Just type in LOVE at the checkout in the coupon code area, or give us a call. You can always give us a call and we'll work with you over the phone. You can talk with one of our salespeople here in the store, and just at least give us a call and see what we can do for you today. We got deals all across the board on Graces, and happy Valentine's Day.